Life is like a survival game where only those who plan ahead thrive. Want to know the strategies to ensure you not only survive but thrive financially? Stick around as we dive into the essentials of financial planning for long-term success. Why financial planning matters. Imagine you're planting a tree. You wouldn't just toss some seeds on the ground and hope for the best. You'd prepare the soil, water it regularly, and ensure it gets plenty of sunlight. Financial planning is exactly like that. It's about laying down the foundation today to reap the benefits tomorrow. Without a plan, you might find yourself drifting without direction, reacting to financial emergencies rather than proactively securing your future. Proper financial planning can give you peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for life's uncertainties. Want to stay ahead in your financial journey? Subscribe now and join our community. We're here to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to secure your financial future. Setting clear goals. Step 1 in financial planning is setting clear, achievable goals. What do you want to achieve in 5, 10, or 20 years? Maybe it's buying a house, funding your children's education, or retiring comfortably. Think of these goals as your financial North Star. They give you direction and purpose, helping you stay on track even when times get tough. Budgeting and saving. Next, let's talk about budgeting and saving. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. It helps you see where your money is going and ensures you're allocating enough towards your goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those savings towards your financial goals. Remember, saving isn't just about putting money aside. It's about building a habit of financial discipline. Investing wisely. Now, saving is essential, but investing is what truly accelerates your wealth-building journey. The key to successful investing is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Educate yourself about different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate all have their own risks and rewards. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the power of compounding. Risk management. Life is unpredictable, and that's where risk management comes in. Insurance is a critical component of financial planning. Health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance protect you and your family from financial hardships in case of emergencies. Don't see insurance as an expense. See it as a safety net that preserves your financial plan in the face of unforeseen events. Regularly review and adjust. Lastly, financial planning isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. Regularly review your financial plan and adjust it as your life circumstances change. Whether it's a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child, your financial plan should evolve with you. Financial planning for long-term success is a journey, not a destination. It requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to adapt. But the rewards, peace of mind, financial security, and the ability to achieve your dreams are well worth the effort. So, start today. Set your goals, create a budget, save, invest wisely, and protect yourself against risks. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for joining me on this journey to financial success. If you want to continue learning and growing with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got plenty more tips and strategies coming your way, so stay tuned.